Hi, my name is Bernie Beauchamp. I'm a puppeteer in Reno, Nevada, and today I'm going to show you how to make a dog circus puppet with a stick. The materials we're going to use are a bamboo skewer, a little bit of hot glue, a stuffed animal, in this case a dog, and some plastic objects to use as props, set pieces. The way I did this was I took the dog and a bamboo skewer and a little bit of hot glue where I want the stick to attach, the stick being the bamboo skewer, and stitch up the stick to the dog after the hot glue has been applied. All right? When we're finished with that, the dog is ready to go, the stick is ready to go, attached to the dog. Now take a couple of objects that look like circus props, paint them to your liking, and get the dog to do some simple tricks by jumping up and down, doing flips on the objects, on the stage pieces, run around in circles. Whatever a circus dog does, this dog can do. Use your imagination, have fun, and that is how we make a dog circus puppet with a stick.